Hi guys, another video for Advanced in Car. Today we've been doing this 2017 VW Up for factory rear parking sensors. Nice simple one really. It's only got the 3 sensors. They're all in the factory positions, and then the module and everything is fitted all up in the factory position up in the boot with the sounder and everything, and then the rest of the loom is run forwards and connected to all the various kind of CAN and power and everything it needs to, so it can then be coded in to work with the tiny little screen that's in the dash. So let's jump in, show you how it's all working. Right, so we're in the car, and as with everything, it's all really small. You've got the tiny little screen, and then when you pop it into reverse, this is an auto, so it's got like a weird auto box on it job. Pop it into reverse, there we go. You can hear this sounder come on to tell you that the parking sensors are active, and then you get your normal style OPS for VWs and everything on here, just with your 3 sensors, and obviously they sweep in and out as you get closer to an obstacle or move away from it, and the sounder obviously ties in with it. As soon as you knock it out of reverse, it then turns off automatically, and you'll see all that kind of working just up here somewhere. That's about it really, dead simple, but all tied in and works as it should do if it came from factory. So this is a little 2017 VW Up for factory reversing sensors, and if you've got a car like this, we can do exactly the same thing. I think we've also done a reversing camera on one of these as well, so that's also doable. Yeah, if you've got anything like this and you want to get in touch, let us know, send us an email, give us a call, and always like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. That always helps us out, and all the other socials and bits and pieces. Thanks for watching.